Lovevery actually recently sent us their play kit. So we got the 0 to 12 week play kit for Peter and we loved it. And so then Lovevery reached out to us and wanted to send us the next play kit, which is the 3 to 4 month one. So we wanted to unbox it and show it to you guys. Jacob, how excited are you for the play kit?
So excited for new toys.
Jacob's like, we need to open the box. I want to see what toys Peter's getting. Also, Peter is going to be 3 months here soon. So that's why we're opening it, is because he's just about that age.
So first it has this little cover, and then under the cover it actually shows you everything that you are getting. Looks like we have more mirror cards, some more black and white card sets.
Okay, just open it. Let's see.
Let's see.
Oh.
Oh, a framed mirror.
Peter does love looking at himself. It's his favorite thing. We go up to a mirror and I say, who's the baby?
And he giggles and smiles and he loves it. So it has a high contrast image on one side. Oh, locked on already. Look at those eyes tracking. Beep. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, we're locked on. That's a good one. And then a mirror. Can you see yourself?
Peter.
Can you see yourself? Oh, he says, I'm not vain. I don't need to see myself. Now we have a wooden rattle. Oh, I bet you're gonna work on your grip on that. Hand-to-hand discs. So it looks like it's a little way for him to work on his hand grips. A teething ring. Oh man, are we gonna have to get him teething already? Yeah, he's gonna start chewing on this thing. What else do we got? A rolling bell. Oh, that's fun.
Push around on the ground.
Yeah, that'll be fun.
Are you excited?
Natural rubber teether.
Oh.
That's nice.
Let me feel that.
That'll be good.
Oh, it's very bendy.
Yeah, that'll be good. They give you these little things that talk about what's in there, how to take care of each of the things. And then they do a whole play guide, which is awesome. So telling you what to use and like how to, what's best exercises to use with it, and like how to help him, you know, how each toy would be most effective with him, which is awesome. So.
And for me, this is why I love the Lovevery play kits, is because like as a first time parent, you maybe don't know exactly what your baby needs at each stage, and so I'd love that they send you exactly what your baby needs at each stage, and then includes this book that literally says like, here's what your baby's going through at this stage, and here's how you can use these toys to encourage development and everything like for your child at this stage. So
yeah,
I love these play kits. Again, we bought the first one ourselves. We like paid our own money for it, and then Lovevery did send this one to me, but we were planning to buy it because we really loved he's loved the first play kit, and it's just been, again, reassuring as a parent to know that your baby's getting exactly what they need for that stage.
So we've got the book, which is awesome,
and also the toys are really cute and simple, and I love that they aren't like battery operated and everything. Like, it's just really simple. And
we got more high contrast cards.
Yeah.
Pete, tell me what you think. Oh, locked on. You like that one?
Oh, it's a mountain.
Oh,
a dog. Oh, you say a puppy.
Yeah, it's a puppy. He's a baby. Babies get puppies. Ooh, talking about babies talking. So what should we talk about? Okay, so it gives you talking tips, how to talk to your baby and get them to kind of respond to you. That's fun.
Oh, he's gonna like this.
Crinkle toy.
He loves the crinkle.
Looks like you can put your hand inside of it. There's pouches. That's cool. Let me see, does it have an official name? Just a crinkle bag.
He loves the crinkle.
If you guys heard when Marissa first started, there's a crinkle bag thing inside of that, and his feet were on it, and he just sits there and smacks his feet on it over and over and over again.
He loves the crinkle, yeah.
So this is, okay, so they gave us a fabric book to keep more cards in. But it has a crinkle flap on it.
With fun colors. Oh.
Peter. So we can have a high contrast image in each one with all these different.
Oh my gosh. He's going to love that.
Yeah, all these different things to feel and explore.
Oh, I'm really excited about that. He's going to love that.
Yeah, that's great. All the different patterns.
Are you excited, Peter? Are you excited?
There you go. That's what's in the 3 to 4 month box. We're gonna love that.
Again, thank you so much to Lovevery for sending this to us. I'll have a link down below for you guys if you want to sign up for the play kit. And I'll also link the play gym because it's our favorite stuff. These are the only toys that we use. I know that the price for the play kit is $80 every 2 months. So it's kind of like, so it's like $40 a month. And I know that can seem like it's a lot of money, but my take on it is that like, these are the only toys that he's going to use. So even when we were initially signed up to just like pay for it ourselves, like we were fully planning to pay like the, you know, $80 every other month, just because knowing like these are all the toys that we're going to get for him. And just again, the reassurance of knowing like as a parent, like we're getting the exact right toys that he needs at the right stage. So anyway, we really like the Lovevery boxes. Again, Jake, we got this box delivered yesterday and Jacob's like, can we open it? Can we open it? Jacob was so excited. And Peter, of course, loves it too. So
you like that one?
It's just nice to know that you're getting like the right toys for his development and that they're going to be good for him. So we love Lovevery, so you can check them out in the link down below.